Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Saksham Jindal. Today I am back with another amazing trick of editing HTML and showing infinite subscribers on YouTube. So first let's visit YouTube. So I am going to YouTube first. Now type whatever is your channel name. So now visit the channel and click on the channel icon and visit your channel. Open any one of your videos, like I am opening this video. Now I can change the likes and subscribers also and views also. How? So first you can either right click on the page anywhere and then you can click on inspect, or you can directly do the shortcut key control shift I. Control shift I. So you will get something like this when you do control shift I. Now go to filter and don't write anything there. Control, you have to press first control F. I am pressing control F. Now you will get something find by string selector or XPath. So here you have to write whatever is the number of subscribers. So here I have 73 subscribers. I'll copy 73 subscribers. Control C and then paste here. Control V. So here it shows 73 subscribers. First right click here and click on edit as HTML. When you will right click, you will get something like edit as HTML. So when you will click on it, you will get something like this. So erase 73 and write whatever you want. Like I want 100 million, so I am writing 100 million. Now click anywhere and see this. Here you can see that there are 100 million subscribers. Now we can also edit the likes and dislikes. So here I have 43 likes. So first I'll write 43 here. So I've written 43 and I will also write likes. So 43 likes I have got here. I have got an option of 43 likes. So again I'll right click here and then I'll add it as HTML. Now erase 43. I want, assume that I want 161 likes. Okay, 161 likes I want, and here also it's written 43. Instead of 43 write 161. We got one result for 43 like, and in that result there was 43 two times, so I changed it to 161. Now here you can see it's showing 161 likes. Amazed? Please leave a like below. Now here I also have 4 dislikes. I can remove them. See, 4 dislikes. I have got only one result. So I will edit as HTML. It's written 4 two times. I'll do 0. And here also at 4 I'll do 0. Now I'll just click anywhere and see, we can see the change. 161 like and 0 dislike. So in this way you can amaze your friend with this trick. I am going to show one more example. Like you can also change the marks in Google Form. Okay, I am going to show now. So let's see that also. You can amaze your friends with this trick by sending the screenshot or any other things. So now I'll show you the Google Form trick also, but you can send the screenshot or something, and even I amaze my friends by this, and on their request I am making this video. So let's see the trick. So now let's see the Google Form trick. First I am going to the quiz that I got. I'll just paste the link, that's Control V. So I pasted the link. Now I'll press enter. So now here I've got the quiz. So it's any quiz like what is the correct answer, choose the correct option. So I'll press any option. Option 1, option 3, option 4. Now I'm submitting. So I'll view my score. So it was like nothing relevant quiz, and I've got just 5 on 12. So I can change these marks. Same process we have to do. Right click and then inspect, or else we can control shift I. So this page open. Now go to filter, click control F. Now find by string, selector or XPath. I'll write my marks here, 5 on 12, control C, control V. So here I have got one result. Right click there and click on edit as HTML. It might not be showing on the screen, but what you have to do, right click and then click on edit as HTML. Now here whatever marks you want, like I am erasing 5 and I am writing 12. So I want 12 on 12. Now click anywhere and see total points 12 and 12. So in this way you can change on Google Form also. You can also change on other places. It can be applied to many places. Like I am searching Tiger Shroff. So here it's something written J Hemant Shroff born to March. So what I'll do, control shift I. Now control F. I'll go like I'm writing J Hemant Shroff. So here it's the full Wikipedia, or we can say short description we can say. So I'll just right click and click on edit as HTML. Now whatever I want, like I am erasing Jai Hemant and writing tiger, and I can add something here like I am a big fan of him. Now click anywhere, see the results. Tiger Shroff, non-professionally as Tiger Shroff, and at the last it said it, I am a big fan of him. So this is how you can edit the HTML, get infinite subscribers on YouTube, edit Google Form, or edit many other places. So bye, please like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching this video.